In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add and delete shift groups from a location. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on Teamwork. Make sure you have either your enterprise or the specific location selected, then click on Locations. Choose the location you would like to adjust shift groups for. Then go to your new top menu bar and click on Lists. From the drop-down menu, select Shift Groups. You should now see a list of your shift groups. To add a new one, go to the bottom of the list and enter in a new name. We'll say Waitstaff. If you do want to add this shift group, click Save. And now that shift group has been added to your location. Notice a green save bar has appeared in the top right corner, letting you know when this page was last saved. If you want to delete a group, click on that group, then choose Delete at the bottom of the list. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to delete that shift group. If you don't, choose Cancel. I do, so I'm going to select OK. And now that group has been deleted. That's how you can add and delete shift groups from your location. Check out the next video to learn how to set up labor pools.